Hello, in this video I will show you where to find documentation and projects. So we will go to bigclown.com, and in the support section there is a documentation link, and here is the developer portal. The most important links are placed over here. You can also browse the tutorials and projects and all other information in the left menu, or you can use this search box, which is very usable. So I will look for example for the sensor module, and in these about pages you will get basic informations about module connecting, and also here are always the links to the eShop, to the schematics, so you will see how the module is connected together inside, to the SDK library. Here you can find the API for our toolchain for your own firmware, which you can write, and you will see also links to the header file and source file. In this project sections, in the project overview, there is also a link to the Hexter.io BigClown project page, where we place some projects, so you can get inspiration and links to other projects here. You can also go directly to sdk.bigclown.com if you are looking for some API, for example, how to initialize ADC or how to get the value.